subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Oppo has launched its new affordable A series phone in Malaysia called Oppo A17 with quite unique rear panel design. Now going through the specifications. The Oppo A17 features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a dual camera setup under the circular ring at the top left corner that includes one 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.8 aperture. Under the hood, the Oppo A17 comes powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM that can be extended up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 64GB of onboard storage with microSD expansion support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on ColorOS 12.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IPX4 certified for water resistance. Now let's see the pricing details of the Oppo A17 smartphone. The Oppo A17 has been priced in Malaysia at 599 Malaysian ringgits, and it is now available for purchase in the country in Lake Blue and Midnight Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A17 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.